Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of this miniature cooker. Now I'll be showing you how the box looks. And I have now opened the box. This is the inside of it. Here is the mini cooker with its packaging. I've removed all of it. We bought this product from Amazon, so if you're interested, I will leave the link to it in the description box. Do check it out. You can also open and close it. This cooker cannot be used for cooking purposes, but it can also be used as a decor, or it can be given to small children to play with. The price of this cooker is 185 rupees. So I've kept the cooker in my hand, so now you'll get a better idea of how big it is. So guys, do share with us in the comment section down below if you have any plans of buying this miniature cooker for yourself or for your kids. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.